Hi, I'm Mike Thompson, and I got another quick tip for you. Anytime, well, let me back up. No, I turned this thing, okay? And then I had already finished it and drilled a 3/4 inch hole in the middle. I cut this end off, because this was the end that was chucked up in the lathe. I cut this off on a bandsaw, but of course it wasn't perfectly straight. I needed a way to make this end kind of concave so that this would then sit level on any surface. Well, I can't grip it from the outside, and there's no interior chuck that'll grip a 3/4 inch hole. So what I did was this. I found a 3/4 inch dowel rod and sanded it down, chucked it up in my lathe, and now the workpiece fits over the mandrel, and I was able to easily use a parting tool and gouge to face off that end. And now it sits nice and flat on any surface. But go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.